Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video, I bring to you all a new subscription box. It's named as the Eyescrush Box and we will be unboxing the July 2019 edition, which includes lots of skincare plus a really good quality sunglass that you can choose from all the options. I'll be sharing all the options as well, and there are some discounts and offers which I'll be sharing later, but first let's start unboxing. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is how the package reached me. Wow, the box looks very pretty. It says Eyescrush loves eyes but first you, and it has all these people wearing sunglasses in different shades, and even this part is like a shiny orange color. It has some texture and some shine to it. So really good and sturdy box, good quality and really pretty design as well. It says India's first sunglasses subscription box, which is probably true. You get some sunglasses in some lifestyle boxes, but that's not permanent. Here you get a sunglass every month, and here is their email address, eyecrushindia@gmail.com, and their website as well, which is eyecrush.com, and then their social media handles are mentioned here. So here are all the products, so let's go through them one by one. So let's start with the sunglasses only, and they have sent it in a pouch like this, which is good because we can store it inside it, and this is how they have packaged it. So that is how my shades look like, and they look really pretty. It has a tint of blue on it. There's a black border here and everything else is in golden. The quality seems really good, like branded glasses. It is kind of like the reflector glasses, but not too much. It has a little bit of a bluish reflector kind of thing, and I really like the tint this glasses have with the golden. It looks so pretty, and these are UVA UVB protected glasses also, so glass quality is also good, and the frame quality, the overall weight and everything looks very good. So I feel this is one of the glasses I can use myself. I will be sharing all the options here so you can have a look at it. Now moving to the skincare, the first product is one of my personal favorite brands. It's by Sea Secrets, and I'm definitely happy to see them back in subscription boxes. This one is their Phytoactive Face Defense Cream. It will brighten, it's a collagen booster and will smoothen your skin. Cost of this itself is 639 rupees, and all the ingredients are mentioned here. You can see how amazing the ingredients are. That is why I like this brand, because they have really good ingredients and they work very well also. This is a 40-gram size, and packaging is of course very pretty. It has a glass packaging, and this is how the product looks like. It has a very soothing fragrance. Oh, I love the fragrance. It is a bit of floral fragrance, but very unique floral fragrance. It is a bit thickened, but it does melt really smoothly and blends it to skin really well, and it's not greasy once you apply it. It's quite non-greasy, gets absorbed completely, so definitely happy with that because it's moisturizing and yet it doesn't look oily on my face. So definitely I'll be using this. Then there is another product from the same brand, and this particular one I have already used and I loved it. It's their Tranquility Facial Mist, Silverated Lavender and Geranium variant. I have got the full size of this one exactly. It balances, hydrates and restores your skin, 50 ml size. But this is an amazing fragrance facial mist. Just so refreshing, especially for summers. I'm so happy to receive this because it gets so hot in India and facial mists are real saviors during summers. This one is again a good brand. Let me show you the ingredients. They will be amazing. It will actually help your skin to apart from just being something that you mist on your skin. It has so many floral hydrosols and even some vitamins, citric acid, glycerin. It's so amazing. Just see, there's nothing bad. It's just so much of goodness for your skin. Then moving on, we have this Glam Story Detox Dead Sea Salt 100 gram size. Here are the uses mentioned, how you can use it. And this one is a very unique kind of thing because it's not just any other bath salt. It is a Dead Sea salt, so it will help you with even your cellulite issues and in many other ways. You can actually use it in multiple ways, as you can see here, with your shampoos and for your bad breath, etc. And this is how it looks. It is a seal pack and the cost of this is 299 rupees. Best before 36 months. Freshly manufactured in June 2019. Definitely happy to receive this. Will be using this for sure. It's something new that I'm really excited to try. Then we have an extra virgin coconut oil from the brand The Happy Groove Co. It is all natural and it's good for your health, hair and skin. It's pure coconut, 73 ml size, and the cost of this is 120 rupees. You can use it as a makeup removing oil. You can use it for so many things, guys. You know, coconut oil is so versatile. I have talked about it so many times on my channel, so I won't repeat myself, but of course I'm really happy to receive this too. Now we'll move to my personal favorite product in the box, apart from the sunglasses. This is something that I'm really excited to open and see. This is by the brand Niva, and this is actually a soap which is in donut shape. It's a 60 gram size worth 140 rupees. You can see the ingredients, really nice ingredients. You have to use it within 3 months. I saw the pics, I was so happy. Oh my goodness, that looks so yummy. It is a donut, it's the chocolate one. Smells so divine, so delicious, the chocolate fragrance. And it's a soap. I'm so happy. Definitely gonna love using this. It is looking so pretty. I just can't wait to start using this. Plus it has so many good ingredients, guys, so definitely a great product to receive. And finally we have a couple of panty liners from Be Safe. This is a sample. I've already tried them and they're quite nice. Here are more details about the features, etc. It's good that they added some personal hygiene as well. So those are all the products in this month's edition, and I'm really happy. I truly can't choose my favorites from here because I love everything. This soap is so pretty. The Sea Secret products, I have used them. I know they're gonna be amazing. This bath salt, in fact Dead Sea salt, is also something new and amazing. I'm so excited to try that one. Coconut oil is basic and needed. So I love everything, guys. Starting from the packaging, the box looks pretty, very good quality, sturdy box. The sunglasses are of extremely good quality. They just don't have a branding on them, because apart from that, they really feel like a branded sunglass. Quality is extremely good and they have so many designs to choose from. You would definitely fall in love with one of them. So for a price tag of $6.99 including shipping, it's a great deal. I really liked it. Especially I was very happy with the sunglass quality. That actually would have made this box a hit or miss, but because of the quality and everything that it includes, it is definitely a hit box for me. I'm very happy. My first impressions are really good. I will surely try them again, and you can get some additional discount by ordering this from Scribble. I have a discount code for Scribble which I'll mention in the description box below. I hope you liked today's video and you like discovering new subscription boxes with me. If yes, then please give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. A new giveaway is coming up, as I mentioned in Insta stories sometime back. It will be published on 25th. I've already started curating the hampers and I'm really excited because there are 5 winners. Stay tuned for that, and if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it, and you would be eligible for the giveaway and you'll be watching some amazing boxes on this channel. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.